Hello, hello. Happy Thursday, everyone. How are you doing? I'm so glad you are here today. We are diving into a topic that affects us all, hormones and metabolism. But fear not, because we're going to explore the delicious world of superfoods that can help you find balance and supercharge your metabolism. First, let's understand what hormones and metabolism are all about. So, picture your hormones as kind of tiny messengers in your body that communicate vital instructions. And metabolism, well, that's your body's energy management system. It determines how efficiently you burn calories. It's kind of a dance that needs balance, and that's where our superfoods come into play. So now let's talk about the stars, the superfoods. They're not just tasty treats, they're nutritional powerhouses that can make a real difference in how you feel. One is avocado, the hormone hero, right? So avocados are packed with healthy fats that provide a solid foundation for hormone production. They also contain potassium, which supports adrenal gland function and helps manage stress hormones. Also, if you if you like avocados, they're really delicious, especially in guac, right? So next are berries. Berries are just all stars because of their antioxidants. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, any berries that are part of your culture, they're loaded with antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. And that's crucial because some hormones can kind of go a little haywire due to oxidative stress. So berries kind of help keep things in check. Next are leafy greens. They're just nutrient-rich wonders. Spinach, kale, bok choy, there's all kinds of variety of vitamins and minerals that support thyroid function, as well as the fact that a well-functioning thyroid really helps keep your metabolism going smoothly. Next is, say, salmon, right? Omega-3 magic, right? Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and that is fantastic for hormonal balance. They also reduce inflammation and support brain health, which indirectly then also affects hormone regulation. And finally, nuts and seeds. Those are those crunchy hormone supporters. So if you are able to have nuts, then almonds, walnuts, and then seeds, flax seeds, or sesame seeds, or whatever seeds that you tend to have, pumpkin seeds. These are like little hormone helpers. They're full of good fats and also provide zinc, which is essential for hormone production. Zinc is also really good if you are starting to get a cold, because they'll block the receptor that is usually what a virus will attach to when it is trying to reproduce. So now that we know about our superfoods, let's kind of get practical. How about a few quick and easy hormone boosting recipes? So first is our hormone balancing berry smoothie. So it's very simple, especially when you're looking at making something very quick for yourself. You don't really have to, unless you're, say, doing something like ketosis, where you're wanting to, track your macros, then it can be just as simple as going, let me grab a handful of berries, whatever berries you have, or a variety of the berries you have, but just a handful, half of an avocado, kind of a handful of spinach, spoonful of flax seeds, and then add in your Greek yogurt or almond milk to make it, filled with as much flavor as you want for creaminess. You blend it all up, and a delicious hormone happiness smoothie that will make your taste buds dance. The next one, and I use this every couple of nights, this is one of my go-tos, is a Greek yogurt parfait. So basically I take, 3 or 4 scoops of Greek yogurt, throw it in a bowl. I, put in some mixed berries. Usually for me, it's strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Add in some nuts or seeds or granola that has nuts and seeds. Usually for me, it's nuts. I usually use pistachios. And then if you, need it a little sweeter, because, I use plain Greek yogurt, either the 2% or the full fat, but plain, then you can also add a drizzle of honey. Now, that's very simple, right? And just grab a spoon and eat that up. That is one of my typical desserts for an evening. Now, if you're looking for something more hearty, then consider like a veggie packed stir fry. So get your lean protein, chicken, shrimp, tofu, beef, then assorted colorful vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, and then, excuse me, and then maybe quinoa or brown rice, ginger and garlic for flavor, sesame seeds or some kind of chopped nuts for crunch, right? So cook your quinoa or rice per your package instructions, cook your protein as you like it, throw the vegetables in a skillet for a few minutes to soften, add in the chopped up garlic and ginger for the last minute or two, and then put the cooked quinoa or rice in a bowl, top it with your cooked veggies and your protein, toss a few seeds or nuts on, and enjoy. It's a nice quick meal that includes multiple superfoods. Fast, easy ways to add superfoods into your day. So remember, superfoods are just part of the puzzle. So balancing hormones and boosting metabolism also involves your lifestyle and your mindset. So one thing that also might help is to get moving. Regular exercise boosts metabolism and releases endorphins that keep stress in check. Now, especially as you get older, you may not want to do more intense exercises, so just go for a walk. You do want to, when you're getting moving, you do want to lift weights because you want to maintain your muscle. So consider that. The next thing is to sleep well. Prioritize sleep, because that is when your body repairs and balances your hormones. The third thing you'll want to do is try to have less stress. So practice stress reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or even just, doing something that you enjoy, like reading a book, going for a swim, playing with your children, right? Anything that helps you to feel recharged. And then hydrate, right? Water is the elixir of life. It helps transport hormones and nutrients throughout your body. So important to make sure that you are staying hydrated. And remember, this journey is all about progress, not perfection. Embrace these superfoods and healthy habits, and you'll be on your way to an energetic and vibrant life that you desire. If you have any questions or ideas for future topics, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye.